Today's tutorial is all about how to crochet the puffy stitch and popcorn stitch. Puff and popcorn stitches are textured crochet stitches that add depth and dimension, making them perfect for blankets, beanies, bags, shawls, scarves, and many other projects. For this tutorial, I have prepared 19 chainless foundation crochet stitches using a chainless foundation technique. If you haven't watched my video on how to create a chainless foundation, you can check the link below. So let's start. Chain 3 and turn your work. Insert your hook not into the first stitch, but into the second stitch. Yarn over once. Insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Puff stitch involves yarning over 3 times. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Then to secure the puff stitch, chain 1. Into the next stitch, we will make 1 double crochet. Then we'll make popcorn stitch. Make 5 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then remove your hook and count 5 stitches backward. So since we are working on the right side of the fabric, insert your hook into the front of the 5th stitch. Then grab or pull through the last loop you made. To secure it, chain 1. So first, we made 1 double crochet, then 1 puffy stitch, 1 double crochet, and 1 popcorn stitch. Let's create 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then we will repeat the sequence. 1 puffy stitch, then separating it with 1 double crochet, and 1 popcorn stitch, and 1 double crochet till the end of the row. So here it is. Puffy stitch creates a soft, rounded texture that looks slightly raised but remains somewhat flexible, while popcorn stitch creates a more defined, bumpy texture that really pops out. Let's continue it and close with one double crochet. Here's a tip for you. When working the popcorn stitch on the wrong side, insert your hook from the back to make the stitch pop on the right side of the fabric. Close it with one double crochet. Here it is. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!